Hey everyone, Namaste, this is Guru Dharam, and in this video we will learn how to do proper chin lock. Many people they have a problem about how to do chin lock. They don't know because they try to do the head very down just like this, and when they do the down head during the practice of the asana pranayama or they do the chin lock, maximum people they have a C7 problem over here because they try to do head down too much, and when they head down they get the pain over here in the C7 area in the neck bone. So remember, the technique is contracting the throat muscles. This is the proper details, so we have to learn how to do chin lock properly without any neck injury or without any problem with the throat or the head area. So how we have to do, we need to contract the throat muscles. So when we contract the throat muscles, our head is not too much down. Remember, chin is not touch, don't need to touch the chest or the collarbone over here, we don't have to. But remember, if we are doing the chin lock, so we have to try to chin a little bit go back. Contract the throat muscles over here. So this way we can contract. We don't need to head down and very force to touch the chin to the collarbone. We don't have to. We will just try our best to inhale, hold the breath in, or exhale, hold the breath out, and then try to chin lock by chin a little back. So you remember, you see, chin a little back, contract the throat muscles over here. So this is the proper chin lock foundation, and whenever we do chin lock, then you will see we get more better control our breath inside the body or outside the body. So that is the proper chin lock. In this channel we just try to give you proper foundation, proper knowledge, and if you love this channel or love this technique, please feel free to share, subscribe, and send this video to your friends to share the knowledge, because if we share the knowledge to everyone, everybody gets the benefit. No side effect. That is, we learn from the proper original yoga, traditional yoga style. So thank you very much for the joining this class, and if you love it, please feel free to let me know the comment. So I will be wait for your comment. Thank you very much, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.